I love comic books, and I have for a very long time. So every week, I'm going to create a video of 7 comic book series or graphic novels that you can read for free using your library card, either on your phone or your computer or a tablet. This video's books are all aimed at children from younger elementary all the way through teenagers. The books in this video are also all found on RB Digital. If you're unsure of how to install RB Digital or access their site appropriately and use it, please check the details below or above, and you'll find links to how to install and use RB Digital. So without any further waiting, here are 7 comic book series or graphic novels that your kids can start reading today for free using your library card. Our first book is Runaways. When 6 friends discover their parents are all secretly supervillains, they run away from home and straight into the adventure of their lives, vowing to turn the tables on their evil legacy. They also turned this series into a television show that is really good. I suggest this book for ages 13 and up. The next series is actually 2 different series based on the world of Oz created by L. Frank Baum. So not only will you find the wonderful Wizard of Oz stories here, but other stories that take place in Oz. When Kansas farm girl Dorothy flies away to the magical land of Oz, she fatally flattens a wicked witch and is hailed by the Munchkin people as a great sorceress. But all she really wants to know is, how does she get home from here? There are 2 different series here, which can be distinguished by their very different art styles. I would suggest these 2 series for children 8 and up. The next books I'm going to talk about are the Mickey Mouse Adventure comic books that came out. These are very different than your Mickey Mouse Clubhouse shows. You see, Sir Mick de Mouse, one of Mickey Mouse's forefathers, bequeathed him a trunk full of diaries, which tell him about incredible adventures. Are they just a figment of de Mouse's imagination, or is there an eerie truth hiding behind them? These books are recommended for ages 8 and up. A long time ago, in a galaxy far, far away, whose government is constantly being destabilized, Star Wars! Relive the prequel and original trilogies today in the form of a comic book. It will make the original series look less dated to your children, and the prequel trilogy look a little bit better to you. I would recommend this for all ages. Who you gonna call? There are several series here, but all focused on your favorite Ghostbusters, with some series being based on the classic cartoons that were inspired by the original film. Oh, and there are also 2 crossover comics with the Ninja Turtles. How awesome is that? I recommend these series for ages 13 and up. Our next series will be a favorite to anyone who watches the hit animated series airing on Disney XD, Avengers Assemble. Recommended for ages 8 and up. Wolverine, Deadpool, Doctor Doom, and Thanos. There's one hero that's beaten them all. And now she's got her own ongoing series. Not that she's bragging. That's right, you asked for it, you got it. It's Squirrel Girl. She's also starting college this semester. It's the start of a brand new series of adventures starring the nuttiest and most upbeat superhero in the world. I recommend this series for ages 8 and up. And while this is the last series, believe me when I say I saved the best series for last. And those are the 7 graphic novels or comic books that you can check out for free using your library card on RB Digital. Make sure to comment below if you have a certain comic book series or graphic novel you'd like me to check on, or if you just want to share what your favorite comic book is that you've read already. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone have a great rest of your week.